Today I'm showing you how to check your phone's IMEI number on Android. Let's get started. What is an IMEI? IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. It's a unique 15-digit code that identifies your specific phone. It's useful for tracking lost phones, checking if a phone is stolen, unlocking your device, or when claiming warranty. Method 1. Through Settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to About Phone or About Device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap About Phone or About Device. Step 3. Find IMEI information. Look for IMEI information, or status. Tap on it. You'll see your complete IMEI number displayed here. Some devices show it directly in the About Phone section without an additional tap. Step 4. Note multiple IMEIs. If you have a dual SIM phone, you'll see IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 listed separately. Make note of both numbers. Step 5. Take a screenshot or write down your IMEI number and store it safely. You'll need it if your phone is lost or stolen. Why you need your IMEI? Your IMEI number is important for reporting stolen phones, give it to police and your carrier to block the device. Insurance claims, required when claiming phone insurance. Unlocking services, needed to unlock your phone from a carrier. Warranty claims, may be required for repairs or replacements. Checking phone authenticity, verify if a used phone is genuine or stolen. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to find and check your Android phone's IMEI number whenever you need it.